YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below, where you get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. You'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. Here we go, guys. It is the weekend. It's finally here. This is coming from CZUR. This is the Aurora scanner for books and others, documents that you want to keep in your possession. In case you want to scan a good book that is worth money, you can scan the pages and then put the book away. See, you can do a lot of cool things with this easy setup. You get a lot of good bonuses. Excuse me. And like I said, really easy to set up. Comes with a disc, so you gotta download. Takes a few seconds. USB powered. Comes with another pair of lights. I'll show you. Easy to install. Comes with these international plugs, so you are good to go. I got it on the American side one, so we are all set up. We got it on the computer uploaded. I think this is just a piece of paper, but it might be a backing for it, but it's alright. Everything is running. Yeah, see, there's nothing on the box, so that's about it. Design, but this thing is really sweet. We're gonna hop over to the computer in a second. Alright, guys, here it is. It comes with one of these foot things. You step on it and it snaps the picture you're trying to scan. Here's the top. There's a screen, and it shoots out a laser. And these are the finger cuts or something. I forgot they were called, but it's to flip the pages without ruining the shot. So really cool. Here's the base unit. Got the power, the knob. You just gotta press that for 2 seconds to power it on. And these lights come off. See, right there. And just pop it in. And on the back side, you can see it right up. You just gotta press the button. Oops. There you go. There's some extra lighting. This thing's really bright. The cameras are up there. And then here's the mat it comes with. So, here we go. So make sure you got it even up with the mat. It's a pretty long mat, so I gotta clean up this area. But the finger, there's a left one and a right one. Shows right on top in here. Can't see it, it's too bright, the yellow. But you can see it. L right there. So this goes on your left finger, and this one goes on your right finger. We're going to do this guy. We're going to scan that, test run. And like I said, there's an app also you can download too for your phone. Yeah, I'm going to do that in a second too. They got a trouble guide in case you run into trouble. We are set up with that. There we go, see, right there. Just got to even this up. There we go. This nice scan right there coming up. And then if you look on top, it will show it once I see. You're gonna step. Any second. Oh, I already got it. Right there. And then also add a little extra lighting. There we go. Right down there. And then is a really old book. Really old. You can read it pretty clear. You could do like comics if you want to keep a comic instead of like damaging it. You could just scan it. Where's my mouse? You could do flat single facing pages. So you can have 2 pages at once. Oh yeah. You could do it for schoolwork. For college, you could borrow somebody else's book and then scan that. Look how clear that is. That is freaking amazing. And one snap. Should come up right there. And just gotta pop it up. Right there. And then you can auto scan. There you go. That is crazy. You can do color, auto enhance. And there's a screen on top right there. Now you can read it. And it should shoot out a laser. I don't know if you guys saw it. There it is, see? And it's picked it up there. And it snapped it to there. But yeah, definitely a nice Father's Day gift also. Check them out though. Like I said, click that link down below. You guys can get this at a low cost. Really cool technology coming from CZUR. Right there. And I think I covered pretty much everything. Like I said, it's easy to use. We scan the books, we scan the pages. We're gonna give this finger thing a try. So I want to make sure I got the right ones right. Left. Kind of like this. Kind of hard to do to show you guys. There we go. So you can scan and just snap. Scan and snap. So awesome stuff. Check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good weekend. Take it easy.